Okay, let's understand the joints. So if you can see guys, we have to the four types of joints. Okay, main four types of joints we have. First is the inner joint, left joint, right joint, and full joint. Okay, now understand one by one what exactly the inner joint. Okay, now see a inner join a cause is used to combine a data from two or more table and base on a relatively columns between them. Means what happened guys, over here we have the two types of table and I have the if suppose I want to combine the both data together like a column 1 data and column 2 data, I want to combine together, that time I am using to the inner join. You can see a join cause is used to combine a data from two or more table based on a relatively column between them. Okay, now suppose I have guys over here, two different types of table. Table 1, 1, 2, 3 value, okay, and x1, x2, x3 belonging to the 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the table 1 I have, and another I have table 2. Over here I have the value 1, 2, and 4. You can see over here I don't have the 3 in that table 2. So this y1, y2, and y4 is belonging to the second table. Now when I am applying to the inner join, the effect exactly how is done. The one are as it is, means it's first checking to the similarity. Okay, one is as it is, 2 is as it is, but you can see C is not present in the table 2, and even this 4 also is not present in the table 1. So basically what happened, I can only took the which one is the similar type of data, like 1 is present, 2 is a present, and after that it's belonging to the like x1 is belonging to the 1, x2 is belonging to the 2, and over here x3 I am not taking because x3 is not over here in table number 2. Okay, because this is the inner join. Okay, and even over here also y1 is presenting to the 1, y2 is present to the 2, so that why the output will be 1 and 2, x1 y1 x2 y2. So this is exactly we called as the inner join. Inner join means again when I'm combining two table together and similar type of data when I have, it will be present only like that. Okay, this is called the inner join. After that we have to the second, that is called the left join. What is that left join? Let's understand first that the left join is the keyword relate returns all the records from the left table. That means the table number 1. Okay, and the matching records if any from the right table in table number 2. Simply means what happened guys, in the left join we are focusing about to the left side of table. Means you can see over here left side of table we are focusing. You can see over here left join. Again I am taking as it is tables, we can see already in the inner join same as it is we are taking to the in the left join. Means you can see table number 1, table number 2. Okay, again 1 2 3 1 2 4. Okay, again x1 is belonging to the 1, x2 is belonging to the 2, x3 is belonging to the 3. Okay, and at the table number 2, y1 is belonging to the 1, y2 is belonging to the 2, and y4 is belonging to the 4. So when I am applying to the left join, as it is, you can see the table number 1, we can took. You can see 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 we are taking. Okay, x1, x2, x3 also we can take as it is. Now only over here what happened, in table number 2, what I have to the value present in the table number 1, I will relate to that. Now see over here how exactly is this. Over here y1 I can took because 1 is present over there. Okay, again y2 I can took because the y2 also present in the table number 1. Okay, but y4 I could not able to took. Why? Because only the thing is 4 is not similar in the table number 1. So this is called what? Left join. We are focusing in the left side of table. Okay, after that we have to the third, that is called the right join. It's like opposite to the left join. Means what happened over here we are focusing on the table number 2. Okay, now see over here first the definition about to the right hand join. Okay, the right hand join keywords return are all records from the right table. You can see the table number 2, and the matching the records if any from the left table is table number 1. Means simply we are focusing right now table number 2. We can write as it is table number 2 and we are matching which one is the table number 1 entries. Same again we are going to the in example. See right join I am going same as it is which one we took the data in the inner join and left join we are putting to the right hand join. Okay, again 1 2 3 x1 x2 x3 is belonging to the values of the table number 1. Again same as a 1 2 4 here over here is not 3. Again y2 y1 y2 and y4 we are taking. Okay, now see over here, when we are applying to the right hand join, we can take as it is the values from the right hand side table 1 2 and the 4. Okay, you can see 1 2 and the 4. After that, 1 is again we are checking to the y1 y2 and y4 also. See y1 y2 and y4. Now let's check that which one is we have in the table number 1 present. You can see, let's check. So we can check over here x1 because 1 1 is matched, 2 2 also match, we are taking x2, but you can see 3 number is not present over here, so we are not taking y x3. Okay, that's why this is exactly the right hand side join. Now after that, we are going to the full join. Full join means what? We are focusing on the right hand join also and left hand join also. You can see the over here we have to the example. Now see what is that? The full join is the keyword return all the records from the both table, table number 1 and table number 2. Okay, see over here again we have to the some data like a table number 1, table 2. Now 1 2 3 is belonging, we are putting 1 2 3 as it is. Even we are taking to the 4 also because we need to put the both table together, we need to combine that. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 values we have, again x1 x2 x3, x1 x2 x3. Again you can see y1 y2 and y4, y1 y2, and over here we don't have the y3, so over here the data is what? The null value. Okay, and after that it will be fulfill the y4. Okay, same as it is, you can see x1 x2 x3, but x4 we don't have that. That means what? Over here the value also the null. So this is exactly we called as a join. As in deeper in the class I discuss, so that's why I just want to give to the overview about to the joins. Okay, now after that I want to just discuss about to the alter table statement. Alter table statement is used to add, delete, or the modify columns in the existing table. Okay, the alter table statement is also used to add a drop of various constants on a existing table. Okay, now without wasting time, let's understand how exactly is used this. We need to write a query. That query is the alter. Okay, how we can write? We need to write in a query in the programming alter table customers where the added the email varchar 255. Okay, now without wasting time, let's go to our database. Okay, now I'm selecting everything. Okay, don't forget to use your database. Okay, how to use database you already know, right? We need to use the query use after w3 school. Okay, w3 school, this is the query when we are selecting our database. Okay, after you are selecting database, I just would you like to show you how exactly the data we have right now. Okay, I don't want to run this query because of why I already selected that. Okay, now let's say that. Okay, now let's say that you can see guys, let me use that query again back. Okay, select. Okay, star from, and what is our guys table name? My table name is a customer, right? Let me put it that customers. Okay, let me check exactly what is the spelling. See, customers, it's not a customer, so don't forget the spelling what we are writing, because many times what happen, we are not writing to the correct spelling. That's why the computer are showing to the error. Now let me run that. Now see guys, I didn't add any kind of any extra column inside of the table. Okay, now what we can do, we are creating one table in the our customer table. Okay, now let's go how we can create. We need to write over here alter. Okay, after alter, we need to write what? We need to write to the alter table customers. Okay, alter table customers. Okay, customers, where the we are adding to the add. Suppose I am adding to the email address. Okay, or email, and that data type is what? Varchar. Okay, varchar. Varchar, suppose I want to take a 255 characters inside of that, and don't forget to use the end of the section as a semicolon. Okay, now again I'm selecting this data and I want to run this query. Now you can see the query is executed. Now I want to see that records. Okay, for that purpose again I want to just select this table as it is. Okay, select start from the customers. Okay, and the run that. You can see right now I have the added one extra email column. Okay, which one I just added. Okay, after that, maybe if you want to delete that column inside of your database, what you can do that? Okay, simply I have to the another query, that name is alter table customer drop column email id. Okay, now simply we need to write over here one query that is called